Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, when we come back, I got this package in from Kelly at Ready Set Drone, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Donnie here, and I'm so excited today because I ended up getting a package in here from Ready Set Drone, Kelly, and I do thank you, Kelly. So awesome. He had me as his subscriber of the month, so he sent me something very awesome. Some of you guys might have seen the video or might even be a subscriber of his. If not, then hey, I left his link in the descriptions, guys. Check him out. Got all kinds of cool stuff on there. He's friends with Ken Heron. They're both very awesome people, and he's helped Ken out a lot. He's helped a lot of people out, and he's helped me out as well. So I do appreciate it, Kelly. Well, I guess he would say he sent me a box of swag. So I'm so freaking excited because I know what's in here, guys. And for those that don't, he sent me a box of awesomeness. So I'm gonna open it. The film's down just enough where you can't quite see down here, but I wanted to get my face in the picture. I'm going to tilt it down just a little here. That way we can get a little bit more in here, but as I pull it out, you guys will see it. So, alright, first of all, and I love hats. Thank you, Kelly. This is freaking awesome. So, hat and shirt. He sent, and I love hat and shirts, so I will definitely wear this. Matter of fact, let's check it out now. Wow, man, this is nice. I like it. Thank you, Kelly. That's cool. I love shirts and I love hats, so perfect. Let's see what else we got in the goodie bag. We got box, I should say. We got a bunch of stickers, so I can go and sticker up all my stuff and put them on my cars too, so when I'm out there rallying around. That's pretty cool. Thank you. This I'm not expecting, and this is freaking awesome. I tell you what, he must be reading my mind. I've always wanted one of these. It's a 3D SJCAM. The 3D, oh man, these things are freaking awesome. I will have to review this. I've seen these, and it's just amazing. If you're on your cell phone and you're watching a video from a 3D or 360 cam, it's just amazing because you'll sit there and be able to move your phone and see all the way around the person. Even if the video is stopped or you know, it's the end of the video or it's paused, you can still move your phone, or if you're on a PC, you could scroll around and see all the way around the person, up, down, everything. So man, thanks, Kelly. These things are freaking awesome. Yeah, I like it. That is so cool, guys. Look at that. It's got a tripod and everything. That is so cool. And I can't wait to try that out. Alright, and now, let's see what I've been waiting for. This is, oh my god, this is so awesome. This case right here is just amazing itself, so I can't stop smiling. I love the case already. Oh man, look at that, guys. Look at that. Got the spark. That is something else. Man, thank you, Kelly, so much for that. Look at that. That is just awesome. Got three batteries. And it's a Fly More package, so it's got the controller. So we got the controller, and we got a charger that will charge up to 3 batteries, which we do have 3 batteries, which is awesome. That's so awesome, man. God, and you got 2 extra props. It's in here. That's pretty cool. They store them in this little box right here. They slide right out. So that is great. Spare props. I hope I never need them. I hope I don't crash into anything. Alright, here it is, guys. That is neat. It's got the little gimbal protector on there. There's that little guy. Let's check him out. Gotta hear the sound. Oh, that's awesome. Never had a DJI. Never got to hold one or see one in person. That's That is so cool. Man, thanks Kelly so much. You don't even know. This is just amazing. Oh, look at that gimbal. That is so cool. Look at that gimbal working. That is awesome, guys. I am so excited right now. I'm going to go and fly this thing, and hopefully I can go and get everything hooked up, guys. And any tips or tricks, hey, please leave me a comment. That'd be awesome. And don't forget to check out Ready Set Drone, guys. So check him out. And he's got some awesome stuff on there, guys. I mean, he's reviews, he flies, just has a good time on there. So, you know, anything you want to check out, I'm sure Kelly's probably went and reviewed it. Especially DJI. He has got some awesome DJI products on there. So check them out, guys. Meanwhile, I'm going to go take this for a flight. So let's check it out. So stay tuned to that. Like always, guys, hey, God bless, cheers, and happy flying. Stay tuned for the flight right now. There we go. Ready, set, drone. Hey, thanks Kelly so much, man. I'm having a blast with this thing. Have a little sunshade on there. Just need to get some ND filters, so
Other than that, I'm having a blast. This thing is awesome. Man, I tell you what, Kelly, I sure appreciate it. I am going to use this like you won't even believe. I'm going to be flying this so much. Alright guys, hey, thanks everybody for watching. God bless, cheers, and happy flying.